Hello and welcome to another lockpicking video. Today I have this Defiant core from a single cylinder deadbolt. These are common at stores like Home Depot, Lowe's, etc. This is a commercial grade, so it's a little better than some, but not that great. It did, however, take me a while to learn how to pick. So I'm using top at the keyway tension and a Peterson gem and 25 thousandths. So the trick with this lock is to come right back. Pin 5 feels set. And then it's pin 4. It's going to put us into a false set. We're just going to come forward on the stack. 3, counter rotation. 2 feels set. And 1. Strong counter rotation. And then we have it open. Okay, so I want to know why this particular lock feels kind of weird to me. At least for Defiant. There's obviously spools inside, so let's see what's going on. Take this retaining clip off. Use this little plastic tube as a follower, as it fits very nicely over the end there, which forms a nice seal. Okay, so let's make sure we don't drop the key pins out when we do this. There we go. So there's our answers as to why pin 2, and well, pin 5 looks like the same cut. Let's see what's in these. I think this should all be standard. Standard, and 2, 3, 4, and 5. Nothing surprising there. And come out here. There's a spool in pin 5. I'll leave the springs up there for now. There we go. Standard in pin 4. 4 spring came out. Come on. There we go. Highly likely that the springs are all the same. Shnikes. I have another spool in chamber 3. That makes sense. There should be another spool in chamber 1 from how it felt. Standard in 2. And 1. Spring from pin 1 and pin 2. It does not want to come out of there. There we go. Neat. Okay, so there we have it. We have 3 spools in chambers 1, 2, and 5. All standard key pins, and the springs are all the same. So what I want to look at is, let's load this back up. Now, pin 2 is already at the shear line, more or less, so it makes sense why not touching that. Clumsy. I don't have a key for this, so I'll have to put it back together and pick it again to make sure I did it right. So here's what I want to look at. All right. Yeah, see, this is what I thought. If you look at it, the spool doesn't even actually engage. It's already, okay, you can't see anything on the camera. The spool part sits above the shear line, is what I'm saying. So that's why that spool didn't engage. I'm sure these locks are just made with spools and chambers 1, 3, and 5 without much care for the bitting of the key. So there you go. All right, so let's reassemble this thing. I'm just gonna put all the springs back in. They sit flush, more or less, with the shear line. And they're all the same. Okay. Now this follower is going to have the open end on that side, so we'll have to come in like this. All right, let's get that back there. Grab our spool from chamber 1. There we go. Spool 3, 4 standard, and 5. There we go. Put that nicely on there. Sure that we're not going to drop the key pins and blah. And okay, we're locked up again. Come on. All right, there we go. Let's put the C-clip back on. There we go. Let's make sure I didn't break this thing. Again, I don't have a key, so I'm just going to have to pick it again. Okay. Four, 3, and 1. So we're open again. So successfully reassembled. There you have it. Thanks for watching.